Otherwise, we're back again for another video. Opinionated right back. Hello. Otherwise, ये सवाल मैं तुमसे पिछली बार भी पूछा था.
अच्छा.
And I think हमारे viewers को अभी तक clear शायद ना हुआ हो. मुझे भी honestly clear नहीं है. हमने इस शो का नाम opinionated right back क्यों रखा है?
यार हम बार-बार एक दूसरे से ये सवाल, मतलब तुम यार बार-बार मुझसे सवाल पूछते रहते हो.
भाई मुझे clarity चाहिए ना.
क्लैरिटी कुछ नहीं है. क्लैरिटी ये है कि हम एक ऐसे समाज में रहते हैं जहाँ पे ओपिनियन देना फैशन में है. जीन्स पहन के ऑफिस जाता है, कभी जीन्स पहन के, कभी फॉर्मल्स पहन के, कभी कुछ और पहन के. क्यों? चेंज, फैशन, है ना? ये सब चीजें कूल है.
तो हम फैशन में आना चाह रहे हैं मतलब.
हम भी फैशन में आना चाह रहे हैं. हमने कहा हमारा ही ओपिनियन नहीं है कोई. 750 करोड़ लोग का ओपिनियन है. काफी देर हो गई. एनीवे पॉइंट इज ओपिनियन में बड़ी ताकत होती है भाई. आपको पता नहीं है, अब कुछ टाइम अपने एक ओपिनियन लोगों के ऊपर थोपते रहो. Eventually, if enough people do it for enough time, it has been a week of opinions in a way, all across the footballing field, and we've seen Wilfried Zaha last week not taking a knee when he came back from injury for his game for Crystal Palace, and he has a perception of it. Do you agree? Do you think that he's just? I mean, he has a right to, you know.
Yeah, I think he does.
Not be as supportive of this entire movement, for example.
It's all about the opinions, right? He's also, after all, a black person who is going through that phase, facing racism and everything. So I do see his point, and he's trying to say that it started out as a good initiative, taking a knee before every Premier League game, but that the thing has totally lost its meaning because it's being done in every game, and the fact that the racism chants on social media, especially against so many players, and I know so closely about Anthony Martial and Rashford. They received certain racist messages right after a couple of Premier League games when they did not play well. So he has a point that it's not really affecting the general public.
Right. So initially the Black Lives Matter movement, and especially taking a knee during the course of this, the idea was that we are trying to show solidarity because racism cannot exist, right? And the entire footballing community, all the players before the games, the referees, everybody, they're taking a knee to show solidarity that we are united against racism. But then the idea was, of course, to have some sort of an impact. And we had another opinion from Tyrone Mings yesterday where he was talking to Sky and he said, people are saying that it does not have an impact, there is no impact, the meaning is lost. Who are these people? How do they know? Right? So I think there are...
And I think Tyrone Mings made a very good point that in today's generation, the football players can make a stand against this.
Right.
This used to happen before also.
Yeah.
It's not a new thing, right? But even the players that were getting affected, say 20, 25 years ago, they never used to make such a public statement, right? On the field or even off it, things like that.
But they were still suffering it.
Yeah, he was still suffering it. So he still believes that, Zaha has, of course, his own right to share his opinion. But even after all the racism that is happening, players are still showing some solidarity, so that does mean something to every person who is facing racism.
What is your opinion?
I think I partly believe what Zaha is saying is true, that gesture when you're trying to take the knee, that thing has lost its meaning. At the end of the day, if racism is being done through social media, what are the social media companies doing about it?
Nothing.
Yeah.
And well, I pretty much share that opinion. If you have to mention that any kind of human being or life matters, I think that's shameful enough.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm not necessarily with Zaha on this one, but I'm not necessarily on either one of their sides. But it is what it is. The important thing is that we need to eradicate this problem, and it is a problem. And we talk about racism as a Western concept. We talk about racism as a concept which sometimes people, especially in our country, don't even understand clearly. And मुझे पता नहीं था ये word मेरे मुंह से निकलेगा तो ऐसा लग जाएगा अरे. But it is your responsibility, right? So in India we have all of this and more, right, served in a platter on a daily basis. So I think we are just trying to focus on one side of it. And absolutely, we see that players and pundits, they're demanding that these social media companies should have some sort of censorship in existence. People who are commenting and creating content and creating engagement, वहाँ पे लोग कुछ भी बोल देते हैं यार किसी को, कुछ भी. 25 साल पहले ये बात ठीक है कि the black players who were playing, they were facing racism. अब तक नहीं रुका है तो 25 साल पहले तो definitely था. And Tyrone Mings is absolutely right that the professional footballers now, who are role models also to such a large audience, they have the opportunity of coming out and expressing that this is happening. We saw something with Glenn Kamara similarly. Sadly, but it happened last week. But 25 years ago, there was something else that was not possible. If Steven Gerrard plays, or forget about Steven Gerrard, if King Kenny had a bad game, I would not have been able to, go to his Instagram page and abuse him. Now people can do that, and they do that on a daily basis. Yeah. Footballers are, you suddenly come home after a match, after your shower, and you open your phone and you're like, you are trending. Why? Because you fucked up, right? So उस तरीके का immediate criticism भी नहीं मिलता था. But then you combine that power with racism, and I think, oh my god, it's very tough, very, very tough. And no human being should face it, let alone people who are just trying to kick one ball in the park. I mean, nobody should face it. Yeah. So, you can read about it on a lot of different websites, Sky and pretty much all the sports websites, because Tyrone Mings has come out and given an interview. And Zaha, read about it, form your own opinion. Please let us know what you feel on, taking a knee, and what is your opinion on the matter. You don't have to choose sides, but you can.